G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a honey mug cake. It's so good you will feel like you're a honey. But before we go, click that like button and tap that bell, or tap the like button and hit the bell. Either way, do both of those, I'd appreciate it. Let's go and make this.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Right, get a mug. Now get some butter, 2 tablespoons, melt it, put that in there. Then you want between 2 and 3 tablespoons of honey, runny honey. I'm just going to guess. That'll be between 2 and 3. Then you want half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg, small to medium. This is an egg from my chickens, so it's quite small because they're silkies. Now we just want to stir, mix this together. We want it to become one with itself. Yummy, said me. Now add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Oh yeah. Now you want 4 tablespoons of flour. Self-raising flour would be preferable. Unfortunately, I don't have any because of everyone shopping during this coronavirus pandemic. So all I have is plain flour. But to turn this into self-raising flour, or whatever you might call it in your country, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Voila! Bada la cha boo 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 ch. And a little pinch of salt. I've just added a bit of pink Himalayan salt. Now just mix this until it's well combined. Ho, 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 ho. So pop this in the microwave for, depending on the strength of your microwave, probably about 90 seconds. Check it after about 60 or 70 seconds, and if it's not quite ready, straight back in. And look how yummy that is. Now you can make a little frosting if you want. I usually just drizzle a little bit of honey over it. I hope you like this. Look at it, yum yum yum. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Jeez, that's good.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.